Next theme on our list is the Shrine theme. If you are running a one-product store, this theme can be your go-to choice. This is currently the highest converting Shopify theme. Many dropshippers and one-product store owner are currently using this theme. This theme provides simple yet high converting store design. It's easy to set up and also comparatively new in the market. Unlike Debutify, this theme only charges a one-time fee. This theme has 3 different versions that cost between $49 to $350. But I won't say that this theme is all sunshine and rainbows. The support team is good, and this theme provides awesome features. However, it is only suitable for one product store. Adding another product is almost impossible on this theme. There are many technical difficulties that people have faced while using this theme. On top of that, this theme doesn't have any free trial or a money-back guarantee. Despite all of these issues, the reviews of these themes are amazing. Many dropshippers recommend this theme, and as I said, this theme has the best conversion rate, which can't be neglected. If you want to try this theme, we do have a coupon code for you in the description of this video. By the way, I've already created a detailed tutorial on how to set up a branded Shopify store using the Shrine theme in just 30 minutes. So if you are interested, simply click here to watch the full video, and I will see you there.